Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup by Kunal Kapoor step by step. Start by washing and chopping all vegetables uniformly so they cook evenly. Dice carrots, celery, onions, potatoes, and tomatoes. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot, then sauté onions until translucent, add carrots and celery for 4 minutes, and stir in potatoes and tomatoes to combine flavors and build the base. Once vegetables are sautéed, pour in 6 cups of vegetable stock and bring to a gentle simmer on medium heat. Avoid a rolling boil. Add 1 bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, then cover partially to trap aromas while allowing steam to escape. Check tenderness after 20 minutes, then remove the bay leaf, season with salt and pepper to taste, and adjust consistency by adding water or stock if needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs surprisingly well with slow cooking time and thoughtful habits. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab it while the soup simmers, and now let's get back to the video. Decide whether you want a smooth or chunky soup. Use an immersion blender for creaminess, or keep it rustic by leaving the vegetables whole. Add fresh parsley or basil at the end to enliven the flavors, then taste and correct seasoning with salt, pepper, or a splash of lemon. Serve with crusty bread or a simple salad, and enjoy a warm, nourishing bowl that highlights fresh vegetables and comforting broth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.